Sadasiv Brahmendra Kirtana, a very beautiful one. So already we know who is Sadasiv Brahmendra, and he is an exponent of Advaita philosophy. There are many instances in his life that we dare not to believe those instances, yet we have to believe because of his great faith and self-esteem. He is a great worshipper of Sri Hari and Lord Shiva also. And knowing that there is no difference between Shiva and Kesava. In this Kirtana, Harirasa Vihari, he says that once the mind get used to the Namasmaranam of the Lord Hari, it enjoys the nectar of the name most blissfully. And he also says that only the name of Hari destroys all the worries and strains that a person feels. In the same way, he says that Sri Hari is the Lord of compassion, and there is no one parallel to him. He showed his compassion on so many people. During his avatar incarnation of Sri Krishna, and even after that, many a time he showed his compassion on his devotees. He is the most adorable and most cherishable, most lovable Lord. And here Sadasiv Brahmendra says that whoever trusts him, whoever has unflinched faith on him, the Lord never ceases to protect them. He always comes to protect them at all times. And the Lord is all pervading, Ishvara Chaitanya. And he dwells in the world as Viswanath, in this Mahaviswam. There is not a minute part of the Viswam which is not touched by him. He has got all the transcendental bliss which we can also experience. We can also feel that bliss once our tongue is used to enjoy the nectar of this divine Namasmaranam of Sri Hari. Whatever the name is, either Rama or Hari or Narayana or Vasudeva or Namasivaya, whatever it is, there is no difference between the name and the form. And once when we think that he is single, Ekam Sat, he is the truth, the single, in the magnanimous forms. If this simple one is understood by us, then we can experience his Chaitanya in each and everything, which really fills our heart with bliss and stirs our soul. And this Kirtana, a very small one, but it has profound meaning, just as is told now. And this same Lord, he dwells on the Tirumala hills as the divine splendor. Because he has the divine splendor only, it is the spot itself is being attracted by crores and crores of people throughout the world, all over the world. And now here the Kirtana goes like this. Hari, 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 Hari Rasama Vihari Sat Sarasoyam Mama Srima Samhari Hari Rasama Vihari Sat Sarasoyam Mama Srima Samhari Hari Rasama Vihari दयानिभृत तनुधारी संशयातिशय संचारी कयाप्यजित विकारी क्रिया विमुख कृपालधारी दयानिभृत तनुधारी संशयातिशय संचारी कयाप्यजित विकारी क्रिया विमुख कृपालधारी हरिरसमा विहारी सत सरसोयं मम श्रम संहारी हरिरसमा विहारी परामृत संपादी स्थिरानन्दाश्रेदी वरालाभ विवादी श्री तिरुवेंकटगिरि दिव्य विनोदी परामृत संपादी स्थिरानन्दाश्रेदी वरालाभ विवादी श्री तिरुवेंकटगिरि दिव्य विनोदी हरिरसमा विहारी सत सरसोयं मम श्रम संहारी हरिरसमा विहारी सत सरसोयं मम श्रम संहारी हरिरसमा विहारी हरिरसमा विहारी।